Just going to do a quick review on the 18 volt to 20 volt Lacia adapter I picked up off of eBay from my Porter Cable 18 volt tools. Nice construction, screws in it. There's this nice button just like the original. Battery of course won't fit on the 18 volt tool. That's why they came out with this great adapter. Slides on, snaps right on. Should have had a tripod for this. Snaps right on there, piggyback. 20 volt power on my 18 volt tools. Won't come loose like some of the 3D printed ones. They kind of slide off, especially on the Sawzalls. But makes brand new use of your old 18 volt tools, and we all know how expensive those 18 volt batteries have become, especially the lithiums. And these have gone down in price. Hope this helps. Thanks.